Good afternoon. Today is December 16th. It's been raining for pretty much 2 days straight, which has been nice, but I'm finally out here on a sunny day getting to check the garden and just taking a glance around at everything. This is my Ethiopian kale. It's gotten huge. This is more than waist high on me. This one is almost chest high, so they've really gotten huge. I need to harvest a lot of these leaves and eat them. I've been putting them in my soup, and they're starting to go to flower and seed, so I need to start using them up. And then behind me is my sweet potato bed, and I've known for a few weeks that these sweet potatoes are probably ready to be dug up because they've been flowering for a while. But we've had several cold snaps over the last few weeks, and we've had nights down in the 40s that have nipped the leaves of the sweet potatoes. So, and then over here, this whole area that's brown, this was all sweet potatoes that were green and healthy a few weeks ago, but the cold nights have killed it. So I know it's definitely time I need to dig these sweet potatoes up. Some of them still growing, but I'm gonna get them all dug up maybe next weekend. And then I'll come around and show you the front of this bed. I have more kale over here. My red Russian kale is doing really well, and my Tuscan kale also doing good. They're all getting big and healthy. I've had more greens than I can use. And those are some collards back there. And I've got a broccoli flower starting. Behind me is my strawberry bed. I think I need to give it some more fertilizer. I thought these strawberries would be growing bigger and bushier by now. And then this is a bed I just planted some seeds in last week. I planted some spinach and carrots and calendula flower and some basil out here in this bed, and only the carrots have come up so far. I have a bunch of carrot seedlings in this bed. The other ones will take longer. I'm not sure if the basil will even grow. It's not the usual kind of basil though. It's called Tulsi, holy basil. It's more of a medicinal herb than a cooking herb, but I thought I'd toss some seeds out here and see if it would grow. The bees love it, so I thought why not. So we'll check on it again next week. Oh, and I have my one lone dandelion plant out here. It was growing in this bed from several seasons ago when I prepped this bed, so I figured I'd leave it. It'll have some good greens in the spring for me to add to my salads. And I guess that's it. Have a lovely day.